Hi everyone, welcome to A Square Maths. Today we discuss about Cramer's rule. See here, in matrices, Cramer's rule is very important for long question. So see here, how to find out here. First of all, process of Cramer's rule we see here. That is nothing but x equals to delta 1 by delta, y equals to delta 2 by delta, z equals to delta 3 by delta. So this is the solution of a given equation. So in this case, delta, delta 1, delta 2, delta 3, these are the determinants of a given matrix here. So first of all, here delta is common in x, y, z. So what is delta? Delta is nothing but determinant of coefficient matrix. Determinant of coefficient matrix. So here delta 1, delta 2, delta 3 is there. Delta 1, delta 2 and delta 3 also there. So see here, what is delta 1? What is delta 2? What is delta 3? So delta 1 is nothing but in coefficient matrix, first column is replaced by constant matrix. So that first of all, we write here coefficient matrix, then after coefficient matrix A equals to, we write here. What are the coefficients here? 2, -1, 3. Okay, first equation coefficients we write here only. Second equation coefficients is second row. -1, 2, 1. Third equation coefficients are 3, 1, -4. Next we write here x equals to x, y, z. Variable matrix. This is constant matrix D. 8, 4, 0. So totally this implies Ax equals to B is in the equation form of matrices. So x equals to B. So x equals to D. X equals to D. Ax equals to D is the equation of the matrices. Clear? So in this case here, you find out your x values, x comma y comma z in x matrix. So what is x here? X is nothing but delta 1 by delta, delta 2 by delta y and delta 3 by delta. So first of all, we find out here delta. What is delta? Delta is nothing but determinant of A, det A, that is equals to, we find out here det A. 2, -1, 3, -1, 2, 1, 3, 1, -4. So we take a place, minus place. So we find out your determinant of this one is nothing but already solving is this type of problem in matrix inverse method in previous video. See here how to find out, that is also see here. So according to the first row, 2, -1, 3 are the elements here. 2 is in first row, first column, and minus of minus plus 1 of and plus 3 of. So we take care these elements here. 2 of, minus into minus, plus 1 of and plus 3 of. Then after we find out here determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. Clear? See here. Then after we find out here determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. So 2 is in first row and first column. So what we get here? Minus 2 into AD minus BC. A, B, C, D we get here. A, B, C, D. Except this element. What is that element here? 2 is in first row, first column. We are leaving this element, these two elements. What we get here? We get here 2, 1, 1, -4. 2, 1, 1, -4. So like this here. So AD minus BC, AD minus BC, that is nothing but 2 into -4 minus 8 minus BC 1 into 1 1. So minus 9 we get here. So we write here minus 8 minus 1. So same process we follow here. Same process we follow. Same process remaining elements also. So how to find it is minus 1 is in first row second column, except first row first second column minus 1 1 3 minus 4 is there. So 1 minus 1 into minus 4, minus 1 into minus 4 is nothing but plus 4 minus BC. B is 1 and C is 3 here. 1 into 3 3. Plus 3 is in first row third column, except this row and this column minus 1 2 3 1 A B C D. AD we are applying AD minus BC. So 1 minus 1 into 1 minus 1. Minus 1 into 1 minus 1 minus BC. 6 we get here. Okay. So now we get here 2 of minus 9 plus 1 of 1 plus 3 of minus 7. So what we get here? Minus 18 plus 1 minus 21. So minus 39 plus 1 minus 38 we get here. So this is not equals to 0. So this is delta. Next, first column is replaced by 840. Second column as it is. Third column as it is. That is delta 1. So similarly, you know that here delta 2 is nothing but second column is replaced by constant matrix. Delta 3, third column is replaced by constant matrix. Clear? So plus into 8, plus 8 of minus into minus, plus 1 of plus 3 of we get here. Okay. So what we get here? Plus 8 of minus into minus plus 1 of plus 3 of we get here. Then after we follow here. So 8 is in first row, first column. So except that row, that column, we have 2 1 1 minus 4. Again we are apply AD minus BC. So minus 8 minus 1 into 1 1. Next minus into minus plus 1 of first row second column A B C D. So 4 into 4 minus 16 minus 1 into 0 0. Next plus 3 of plus 3 is in first row second column third column. First row third column, plus 3 is in first row third column. So except this row and this column we get here 4 into 1 4 minus 2 into 0 0. So what we get here? 8 of minus 9 plus 1 of minus 16 plus 3 of 4. So we get here 8 9s are 72 minus 16 plus 12 we get here. Okay. So what we get here? 8 plus 2, so 6 plus 2 8. So minus 88 plus 12 we get here. So that is nothing but 8 minus 2 6, 76 we get here. Minus 76. This is delta 1. So that implies delta 1 value minus 76. So your delta value minus 38. Okay. Next we go to delta 2. What is delta 2? Delta 2 is nothing but second column, first column as it is 2 minus 1 3, first column as it is. Second column is replaced by 8 4 0. Third column 3 1 minus 4 as it is. So only changing a delta 2 ante second column, delta 1 ante first column change cheyali dantoni. So plus minus plus. Here plus minus plus careful watch cheyandi babu, mistake avutuntadi. Idante plus 2 of minus 8 of plus 3 of. So plus 2 of minus 8 of plus 3 of. So plus 2 is in first row first column. So except that row and that column we get here minus 16 minus 0. Minus 8 is in first row and second column. So except that row and that column, we get this one. Minus 1 into minus 4 plus 4. Minus 1 into 3, 3. Plus 3 of. So minus 1 into 0, 0. Minus 12 we get here. 2 of minus 16. Minus 8 of 1. Plus 3 of minus 12. So what we get here? Minus 32. Minus 8. Okay. So minus 32. Minus 8. Minus 36. So that is nothing but 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 6, 16, minus 76. That implies delta 2 also same value we got here, minus 76. Okay. Now delta 3. Delta 3. See here. Delta 3 equals to, we write here, delta 3 is nothing but 2 minus 1, 3, minus 1, 2, 1. First column as it is, second column as it is. Third column replaced by 840. 840 plus minus plus. So we get here 2 of minus into minus plus 1 of plus 8 of we get here. So plus 2 is in first row, first column, except that row and that column. 2 into 0, 0. Minus BC, minus 4 into 1, 4. So plus 1 is in first row, second column, except that row and that column. We get here minus 1, 4, 3, 0. So minus 1 into 0, 0. Minus 4 into 3, 12. 12. Next, plus 8 is in first row, third column. Minus 1 into 1. Minus 1, minus 3 to the 6 we get here. So 2 into minus 4, plus 1 into minus 12, plus 8 into minus 7. So what we get here? Minus 8, minus 12, minus 56. So minus 76. That implies delta 3 also same value we got here. That is delta 3 equals to minus 76. So delta 1 76, delta 2 minus 76, delta 3 also minus 76. Delta value 38. So now we take here, first of all, we taken already. Now we write here. So what is x here? X equals to delta 1 by delta, that equals to minus 76 by minus 38. So we get here 2. Next, y value delta 2 by delta, minus 76 by minus 38. That is also 2. Z equals to delta 3 by delta, minus 78 by, so 76 by 76, minus 76 by 38. That is also 2. So this is the solution. X equals to 2, y equals to 2, and z also equals to 2. Okay, this is